Upgrading your home's exterior with new siding is one of the best ways to boost curb appeal, increase property value, and improve long-term energy efficiency. But while new siding can completely transform a home, the installation process is where many Troy homeowners unknowingly run into problems. Even small mistakes during installation can lead to water damage, warping, pest intrusion, and costly repairs down the road. To help you protect your investment, here are the most common siding installation mistakes you should avoid, and how to make sure your project goes smoothly from start to finish. Skipping a proper home inspection. Many homeowners assume siding can be installed right over the existing exterior without checking what's underneath. This is one of the biggest and most expensive mistakes. Before any siding goes up, your contractor should inspect for rotting wood, hidden moisture issues, pest damage, structural problems, outdated insulation. If any of these issues go unresolved, your new siding won't last. Troy's seasonal temperature swings and elevated humidity can worsen hidden damage quickly, so an inspection is essential. Choosing the wrong type of siding for Troy's climate. Not all siding materials perform the same in Michigan's fluctuating weather. Homeowners sometimes pick products based solely on appearance or price rather than durability. Common problems include vinyl siding cracking and extreme cold wood siding warping because of moisture, fiber cement becoming brittle if poorly maintained, metal siding denting from hail or wind-blown debris. A professional will help you select siding rated for freeze-thaw cycles, humidity, and strong winds common across Troy and surrounding communities. Poor measurement and inaccurate cutting precision is everything when installing siding. Incorrect measurements lead to panels that are too tight or too loose, both of which cause long-term issues such as visible gaps, misaligned panels, warping and buckling, water infiltration. A less appealing final appearance. Even a fraction of an inch matters. Panels should be cut with expansion in mind, especially vinyl siding, which expands and contracts with temperature changes. Ignoring the importance of a weather-resistant barrier. Some DIY installations skip or incorrectly install the house wrap or moisture barrier. That's a serious mistake. This component protects your home from moisture that can seep behind the siding. A properly installed weather-resistant barrier prevents mold and mildew, keeps insulation dry, reduces energy loss, extends siding life in Troy's rain-prone spring and snowy winters. This barrier is non-negotiable. Improper nailing techniques. Many siding failures come down to incorrect nailing. Nails that are too tight prevent siding from moving naturally with temperature changes, leading to buckling. Nails that are too loose can cause rattling, detachment, and leaks. Correct nailing should leave a small gap for expansion, be placed in the center of the nail slot. Use corrosion-resistant nails to maintain straight, consistent rows. A trained installer understands how critical this step is for long-term durability. Poor flashing around windows and doors. Flashing helps redirect water away from vulnerable spots. If it's missing or installed incorrectly, leaks can develop behind siding, damaging walls and insulation. Common mistakes include not sealing window edges, overlapping flashing incorrectly, leaving gaps where wind-driven rain can enter. Given the heavy rains and snow melt Troy experiences, proper flashing is essential. Hiring an inexperienced or unqualified installer. Even the best siding product will fail if installed improperly. Some homeowners choose the lowest-priced contractor, only to face repair bills far higher than what hiring a qualified professional would have cost. Look for installers who provide references, are licensed and insured, offer workmanship warranties, have proven experience with your chosen siding material. A reputable Troy siding professional will follow strict installation standards and ensure long-term performance. Protect your Troy home with expert siding installation. Avoiding these common mistakes helps safeguard your investment, improve your home's weather protection, and extend the lifespan of your siding. Whether you're considering vinyl, fiber cement, wood, or composite siding, working with a knowledgeable local expert ensures the job is done right the first time.